Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to English class. Today we are going to see 6th standard, Unit 3, poem I Dream of Spices. Children, do you know what is the meaning of spices? Spices means a flavoring for food made from parts of a plant. This is a simple and interesting poem written by Raj Armugam. Let us learn about the poet Raj Armugam.
Raj Arumugam was born in India and moved to Singapore just before he turned 6. He lived in Singapore till 1997, a year in the UK, and now lives in Australia. Raj Arumugam is a teacher, poet, writer, and also a businessman. Children, now let us read the poem I Dream of Spices. My mother would say, Little boy Raj, go to Muthu's and get some cinnamon, betel leaf, and ginger and garlic. And so I go to the shops singing all the way. And when Muthu asks me what I would want, I rattle off a list: sesame seeds, onions, tomatoes, and pickles. And back home, mother twists my ears. Ouch! Written by Raj Arumugam.
Dear children, now I am going to give the explanation for the poem I Dream of Spices. A little boy, Raj, is the narrator of the poem. One day his mother asked him to go to Muthu's shop. Muthu, name of the shopkeeper, and buy some cinnamon, betel leaves, ginger and garlic. Children, do you know what is cinnamon? In Tamil we say lavangapattai. It is very delicious spices. அம்மாலாம் வீட்டில் சமைக்கும் போது நான்வெஜ் சமைக்கும் போது குருமா ஐட்டம் சமைக்கும் போது இந்த சின்னமன் யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஓகே, அண்ட் பிட்டர் லீவ்ஸ் மீன்ஸ் வெற்றிலை, ginger, இஞ்சி, garlic, பூண்டு, as we know already. Raj went to the shop happily and he sang songs on the way to the shop, dreaming about the spices. நம்ம அம்மா வீட்டில் திங்ஸ்லாம் வாங்கிட்டு வர சொன்னால் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம், சொல்லிக்கிட்டே போவோம், ஏன்னா மறந்துடக்கூடாது அப்படின்றதுக்காக. ஸோ அவன் என்ன பண்ணுறான்னா அவங்க அம்மா சொன்னது எல்லாத்தையும் வந்து பாட்டாக பாடிக்கிட்டே போகிறான். எப்படி பாடுறான் அப்படின்னா, cinnamon, bitter leaf, ginger and garlic, cinnamon, bitter leaf, ginger and garlic அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு பாடிக்கிட்டே போகிறான். Finally, he reached the shop. When Muthu asked him, who is Muthu? The shopkeeper. Muthu asked him what he wanted to buy. He completely forgot the list given by his mother. So, he recited a new list. Recited means say loudly. He said, I wanted to buy sesame seeds, onions, tomatoes and pickles. What he buy? Sesame seeds, onions, tomatoes and pickles. Do you know what is sesame seeds? எள்ளு விதைகளை தான் sesame seeds சொல்லுவோம். Onions, வெங்காயம், tomatoes, தக்காளி, pickles, ஊறுகாய். We use in our day-to-day life. So, he went home with the wrong list of items. His mother was angry to see the things because everything was wrong. His mother asked him to buy cinnamon, bitter leaf, ginger and garlic. But he bought What he bought? Sesame seeds, onions, tomatoes and pickles. So he was very hungry and twisted his ears. And Raj cried in pain. Ouch, it's paining, like that he said. I hope you enjoyed the poem.
Dear children, once again I read the poem. Listen carefully. I dream of spices. My mother would say, "Little boy Raj, go to Muthu's and get some cinnamon, betel leaf, and ginger and garlic." And so I go to the shops singing all the way. And when Muthu asked me what I would want, I rattle off a list: sesame seeds, onions, tomatoes, and pickles. And back home, my mother twisted my ears. Ouch! Written by Raj Arumugam. Let us learn the alliteration in the poem. Alliteration is repetition of the consonant at the beginning of two or more words in a line. Alliteration is repetition of the consonant at the beginning of two or more words in a line. See the example. Mother twist my ears. Sesame seeds. Ginger and garlic. Look at the underlined words, children. Mother, my, yum. Sesame seeds. Yes, yes. Ginger, garlic. G, G. So, these are the example of alliteration because these are repetition of the consonant at the beginning of a word in a same line. So, these are the example of alliteration. Okay, children? Now, let us learn the meanings and the question answers. Cinnamon, the bark of a tree that gives a delicious flavor to food. Garlic, a small bulb with a strong taste used in cooking. Rattle off, recite. Sesame seeds, gingerly seeds. Ouch, sound that expresses pain. Answer the following questions. Who is Raj? Raj is a little boy. Where did Raj's mother send him? Raj's mother sent him to Muthu's shop. Who is Muthu? Muthu is a shopkeeper. What did mother ask Raj to buy? Mother asked Raj to buy some cinnamon, betel leaves, ginger and garlic. What did Raj buy? Raj bought sesame seeds, onions, tomatoes and pickles. Thank you, children.